Hi everyone, my name is Courtney-Ann, your local realtor, and welcome to Chelsea Avenue. This charming 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, fully furnished apartment is on the market for rent at 140,000 Jamaican dollars. Let us see what it has to offer. Stepping into the living room space, you are greeted with a functional layout which flows from the kitchen to the living room. The kitchen is equipped with a refrigerator, stove, all pots, pans, and utensils, and also a washer, which we know is typically UK culture, but we're bringing that into the Jamaican market. Let's discuss how much appliances are in this kitchen. So for example, everything here is stainless steel. The water pressure was very good here. I'm going to open up in the next clip so you can see all the pots, pans, and stuff, and they are in good condition, don't worry. You also have a rice cooker in there, so that's a good plus for those of you who have trouble getting your rice just right. Now, moving right along, we also have a living room space which is fully equipped with a television set and cable, which you would simply transfer into your name should you occupy this space. Now, in terms of the seating layout, you have stools for dining and then a couch for entertaining. Stepping outside of the living room, we're going to go into the 2-bedroom areas. Now, the good thing about this apartment is that we know Jamaica is hot, and so the owners have taken the liberty to include air conditioning units in both bedrooms. As it relates to the bedrooms themselves, they have also taken the initiative to spruce up the space by adding brand new comforter sets and having the apartment deep cleaned, which I thought was really considerate. Now, let's take a look at the closet space in this specific bedroom to see how much storage is inside. You can definitely fit all of your clothes in here, your shoes, your luggages, especially if you're coming from another parish to stay in the Kingston area. I'm pretty sure this is enough storage for one person, and then the other bedroom would have its own closet. The bathroom connects to both bedrooms, which means that you will be sharing the bathroom. However, if it's you and a friend or you and a colleague, I'm sure you guys can make the space functional. Just to reiterate, I really appreciate how the apartment was deep cleaned. As a realtor, we really don't find these things quite often, and it really makes a space brighter even when it's not as modern. Now, as it relates to the 2nd bedroom, this bedroom is equipped with 2 single beds, but let us say you want 1 bed, it would be functional to put them together to create somewhat of a queen size bed. Now, the 2nd bedroom also, as I mentioned before, has its own closet, which I would say is similar in size to the 1st bedroom. Now, stepping out of the bedroom, I want you to imagine your mornings at this apartment. Watching the traffic go by, sipping on some tea or coffee, whichever you prefer, hearing the birds chirp, and catching that lovely New Kingston breeze. You're done having breakfast and you're heading downstairs to the parking lot where you walk past the plants and the greenery and get into your car and head to work. Now guys, let me know in the comment section if you liked this tour. For all details, check the description box below. And of course, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!